Global Engi-Tech Private Limited. Incinerator, for medical waste disposal. Used PPE kits. Hand gloves. Face mask. N95 mask. Human tissue. Cotton. Bandage. Medicines. IV set. Urine bags. And many other type of medical waste. Needs to be disposed of properly. For safe disposal, these type of waste must be incinerated at higher temperature. We have wide range of incinerators for such applications. Electrically operated, diesel, or CNG-fired incinerators are available. Due to very high working temperature, up to 800 degrees centigrade, the viruses, like corona, would be destroyed in the system. Different models are available for small clinics and large hospitals. If required, we have incinerators with scrubber, pollution control equipment, and larger chimney. Please contact us for your need of waste disposal equipment. We are available just a click away.